In this tutorial, I will go over how you can pin and unpin folders from the quick access panel on the left hand side of your Windows File Explorer. The File Explorer comes with desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, music and videos pinned by default. And when you go to the home section of your File Explorer, there is quick access section shows up at the top right here. And the pin items will appear with a little pin right next to it like this. If you want to pin a commonly used folder, let's say this PS scripts that appear on the quick access section but currently not pinned, so therefore it may move around as you use more folders, you can simply select the folder from the quick access section at the top here and right click and select pin to quick access. You can do the same thing by just going to the left hand side quick access panel and selecting the folder that is not pinned, right click and say pin to quick access, and that will pin itself as well. If you want to pin a folder that is not appearing on the quick access section here, but you commonly use it and you need it to pin on the left hand side, you can first go and find that folder. So let's go to this folder called SAN001, and let's say I want to pin a folder inside another folder, let's say this one, test folder for quick access. You can find the folder, select it again, right click, select pin to quick access, and it will appear right here. You can also reorder these items. For example, if I want test folder for quick access at the top, I can simply move them all the way here. You can move the desktop down by selecting it and putting it down like that, and now I have the test folder quick access at the very top. So when I open my File Explorer, the test folder for quick access appear at the very top. If you want to unpin one of these items, let's say desktop, you can simply click here, select it, right click and say unpin from the quick access, select this one, and it will disappear. Now another way that you can re-add that unpin item or another folder, let's say I want to add recycle bin for example, is to simply to go inside that folder and click on that folder, and then while holding your left mouse button, so in other words you simply click it at the top on the address bar and holding it and then dragging it and then going to the quick access panel and letting it go, and it will basically show up right here. So here it shows as recycle bin. Sometimes this may not be possible. For example, if I go and try to get the desktop back into this quick access panel, and if I try to drag it, it'll say, oh, no, it's not allowed. It is an not allowed task. So I can't just simply push this thing into quick access. But remember, we used to have desktop on the quick access panel. So why is it not allowing me to now drag it down here? Because each user on your Windows machine may have a different desktop. This is maybe a general desktop section. So that's why I can move it right here. If I go to my user, which is administrator, I see a desktop icon right here too. If I try to drag this now over here, it works. It goes into the quick access panel. So when you try to hold it and try to move it, if it doesn't goes into the quick access panel, maybe you had to navigate to the exact location, in this case the administrator user account, and select that particular quick access item that you want to have on the left hand side and put it onto the left hand side of the quick access panel. And that's everything for today. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out to me. Please make sure to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, thank you so much and have a nice day.